Hello, learners. Today we are doing trigonometry. Now we are just focusing on cosine rule. So remember that you can apply cosine rule when you've been given two sides and one included angle, or you can apply cosine rule when you've been given all the three sides and you are told to find the missing angle or the missing angles. So let's dive into the question, which is asking us to calculate distance kn. So for us to find distance kn, we need to state the cosine rule formula based on this triangle that we've been given. Remember, the golden rule is that application of cosine rule only applied when you are dealing with a non-right angled triangle. So let's go. According to our triangle, we are told to find the distance kn. So first and foremost, we are going to state the cosine rule. So we are saying our distance kn squared is equal to mk what? Mk squared plus what? Mn what? Squared minus 2 multiplied by mk again multiplied by what? Mn. Then we are going to say cos what? Cos m. So this is how we are going to state our cosine rule depending on the letters that are attaching to this non-right angled triangle. So this is how you need to do it. Remember, finding this distance, you are going to be given 5 marks, and it is very simple to find the missing length. So let's go to the question and continue. So we are saying kn distance is equal to mk. We've been given 8 kilometers, so it is to the power 2, and mn we've been given 10 kilometers. We are going to introduce a power 2 minus what? 2 open brackets. We are going to say 8, close and open another brackets. We are saying it's a 10. Then we are going to say cos what? Cos 92. So at this level now, you are going to say distance kn is equal to, this one will give us what? 64. So this one is going to give us 64. 8 to the power 2 simply mean 8 times 8. And this is a 10 to the power 2 simply mean what? 100. So we are going to get 100 minus what? 160 cos what? Cos 90 what? 92. So now when you reach at this stage, we are going to plug in all these numbers on the calculator. Remember that this is mathematics paper 2. So what are we saying? We are saying it is 64. So we are saying 64 plus 100 minus what? 2 open brackets, or minus, I can just say minus 160 cos what? Cos 92. So we are saying cos 92. So cos 92. So I'm going to get a distance kn to the power 2 is equal to 143 point what? 0.9494. I can even reach up to 96. Okay, 0.946. So now remember that the question was demanding me to find distance kn. So for me to remove this power 2, I'm going to introduce a square root, and this side it will be a square root. So this square and a square root and a power 2 will cancel. Distance kn is equal to, so I'm going to go back to the calculator and place I'm going to press a square root, then I'm going to get 11.999 what? 97. So remember that when the degree of accuracy is not specified, leave your answer in 3 significant figures. So definitely I'm going to leave it in this way. So I'll add a 1 and it will be a 12 point what? 0.0 kilometer. This is how you need to find distance kn. Applying cosine rule when you've been given 2 included angles and two sides, and 1 included angle. So this is how you need to do it. So you are going to be given 5 marks just by responding in this way. So you need to pause the video, and when you pause the video, make sure that you follow me step by step so that you understand cosine rule. Remember, those of us who are sitting for General Certificate of Education, GCE, this is going to be helpful to you. So let's go to the other question. and solve the area of this non-right angled triangle. So this is how you need to do it. So let's dive into finding the area of a non-right angled triangle. So remember the distance kn, it is 12.0 kilometer, which is just 12 kilometers. So I can erase my solutions. Make sure that you pause the video so that you can copy and try to go through and get another question paper that is requiring you to find the distance, which is under cosine rule. Okay, so let's proceed and respond to the next question, which is asking us to find the area of a non-right angled triangle. So area is equal to half a b sine what? Sine theta. So this one, a and b are the sides where you've been given one included angle. So this can be side a and this can be side b. Therefore, the theta we've been given here the angle, which is going to be a 92. So we can just say 1/2 times what? 8 times what? 10 times what? Sine what? Sine 92. So now from here now we are going to plug in all these numbers on the calculator. Remember, this question only carries 2 marks. So writing the formula, you are given a mark, and concluding with your final answer, you are also going to be given a mark. So let's proceed and say 1/2 on the calculator times what? Times 8 times 10 times sine what? Sine 92. So times sine 92, we are getting a 39.68. So we are getting a 39.6 Remember, if the degree of accuracy is not specified, leave your answer in 3 significant figures. So definitely this is km to the power 2, which is area, but we are leaving it in 3 significant figures, which is going to give us a what? A 39.7 kilometer what? Squared. This is the area of this particular triangle. So hope this video is going to be beneficial to those of us who are writing under GCE and those of us who will be writing our exams in November. Stay tuned for more videos. It has been your tutor, Mr. Soup. Soup San.